the distribution of certificates and awarding of honors and special awards to our deserving learners for their
Thank you.
outstanding achievements.
Awiri.
May I respectfully call on our school principal, Mr. Romeo F. Rowan Jr., to do the honor in the distribution and giving of awards. And we would also like to request the kind assistance of our guest school principals together with our DPS in Science, Ma'am Brona, for the distribution and awarding. As the names are called, may I request the awardees to please come forward together with their parents in an orderly manner.